Been raining so hard here in the last half an hour that the weather deck is coated with ice pellets. We've had a little bit of hail here. Also, some hail reported down in Hastings. Actually, there have been numerous reports of some small hail this evening out of this line of showers that has come through the area. Will there be any severe weather, and will it finally warm up, and will it be dry? We'll answer all those questions in a moment. 13 weather ball, though, is blinking bright tonight. More showers in sight through the middle of the day tomorrow. It's also green. No change to the chilly weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 43 today, only made 39. That's the first Friday this month that we have missed the target. We'll try to extend that here. Get it back on target here during the day tomorrow. Speaking of the target tomorrow and the weather, still only in the low 40s by the end of the afternoon. The showers will continue through at least the noon hour. I think they'll taper off between about noon and 4 p.m., especially off to the east of Grand Rapids. It's not warm out here. Temperatures are in the mid 30s here across much of West Michigan, low 40s down to the south. But when you factor in those winds, which have been gusting to over 30 miles an hour at times, it feels more like the mid 20s. Wet weather gear and winter weather gear is the order of the day, especially out here on the weather deck. We had that line of showers that went through here earlier this evening. It took care of the umbrella. We fixed it here in the last half an hour. But there have been some rumbles of thunder down in Berry County as well. One area of storms that we're watching is now moving up through northeastern Kent County. And we're getting inside the storm with our radar scope. This little line right in through here, about from Ionia on up through Greenville, had wind gusts almost to 40 miles an hour contained within it. And there was enough air that came down behind that it changed the precipitation briefly over to some sleet and some hail out here on the weather deck. You can see that storm's got a little bit of hail just to the south and east of Grand Rapids as it heads off to the northeast. Going to be running into those areas here in the next half an hour or so. So be on the watch out for maybe a little bit of slippery conditions because of the ice. Otherwise, the storm system down in Illinois is creating severe weather across portions of Indiana and Illinois. A severe thunderstorm and tornado watches down there. But as that low pressure system finally moves away from us during the day tomorrow, the showers will eventually come to an end. But between now and then, we're watching these showers and isolated storms move on through. We'll get a little of a break this evening, but they'll be back with us between about 11 and 2 a.m. and then just kind of on and off throughout the morning here tomorrow up until 7 a.m. For the daytime hours tomorrow, not a whole lot going on. Showers, though, a little bit of drizzle from time to time. And then during the afternoon, that will finally come to an end. But we'll have to wait until late tomorrow night or during the day on Saturday to get into some sunshine. But once the sun does come out, highs will jump back up into the 50s, and that's where they should stay for the entire weekend. Our week 3 to 4 outlook, which encompasses the 2 weeks around April 8th to the 21st, warmer than average temperatures will be in our area. It'll also be wetter than average, so maybe kind of spring-like temperatures and precipitation expected. Tomorrow, though, showers mainly in the morning. Highs still well below average, around 39 to 42. Similar up north, a few showers in the morning with highs right around 40. And from Grand Rapids southward, again, morning showers. At least we'll get up into the low 40s here tomorrow. The winds will be a lot lighter out of the north. Downtown Grand Rapids looking like this, with 42 for a high tomorrow, well below our average, but sun coming up there at 727. 50s on Saturday, and we'll be in the mid-50s on Sunday with dry weather. Another round of showers Sunday night through very early Monday, and then we may jump up to around 60 next Tuesday. 13 on target forecast. Showers then Tuesday night through Wednesday. They may linger into Thursday, and then a little bit cooler as we head into next weekend. Highs will be back down into the 40s. Be safe tonight. We've got sports coming up next, so stick around.